So the first thing we need to do to validate the user is actually get a user. Now we've done get file data up here, and we've done get user guess. We're going to pretty much do the same sort of thing, but try and get a name from the keyboard. So I need a new function called def get user, and I need to return username. Now I've got to be careful here because I'm going to start using user names as a list and username as a person, so I might just restrict that to user. And if you remember, because we're returning something, then we need to set it to begin with, so user equals nothing at all. So that should be my game working so far, but I haven't got a user. Name validate is not defined, so what have I done? I've got validate user. Let's take that out. It's just me being a bit quick. Validate user. There we go. And when I validate the user, I'm sending in user names. That's better. So my explanation in the previous one, you just need to take it with a pinch of salt. I've changed this a little bit here. So this time if I run the module, there we go. Please enter a numeric code. If you notice, it's gone all the way down to code, generate code. So I've gone through file name, usernames, valid, and I haven't generated an error. So things are looking okay at the moment. I'm into my game. So really what I need to do is get a user from the keyboard, and if we remember, that is just simple raw underscore input. Please enter your name. Giving them a space, and that gives me now my user. So in validate user, what I really need to do is call this function just so it does that job. I'm going to do all my validation in here. So just as a quick one, I'm going to call it, so name equals get user. So now it's just going to ask me to get the user. So if I run that again, we should be seeing this pop up. Please enter your name. Jim. Please enter a numeric code, so it's okay. So basically what I've got is I've got a method of getting a username from the keyboard, and I've now got a method which I'm going to pad out to actually validate that user. But to validate that user, I also need to know who was in that file.